Hey, what's up, you guys? Guess where I'm at? Or not where I'm at, but with everyone else, with my parents and my aunt and Adam. We are in Utah. We're at Zion National Park.
Quick update. We had to leave the parentals and auntie behind because they're getting tired. But Cathy and I will push on just to see the end of the Narrows, or the start of the Narrows, I think. So this is the Riverside Walk, and it's only 2 miles round trip.
Yeah.
So we'll make it back quickly. What are your thoughts so far?
It's getting higher a little.
A little higher, but the weather here is fantastic right now.
Yes.
Mid-September. Okay, we're here at the start of the Narrows, and we're not gonna go in the water, but that's what it looks like with the river right over there. Super nice right now. Get everybody in the shot. All right, now we're gonna head back. Cathy?
Yeah.
Anything you want to say?
No, we're gonna come back here, like get like water shoes or water hiking shoes.
No thanks. Just kidding.
Wow.
All right, we're gonna head back now. They're waiting for us. Finally made it back to Las Vegas, and the first place we went to is Hibachi Burger. Here we are. Thank you. I got the miso burger. Cathy over there got the spicy miso burger. Dad got, what do you get? Salt and pepper fries and a Wagyu burger. And they are splitting a miso ramen bowl. Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Saturday, September 16, and this time we are at the
Grand Canyon in Arizona.
We're about to head back down to see other viewpoints of the Grand Canyon. Moran Point.
Another point over. So what do you think so far of the Grand Canyon, or what are your first impressions of the Grand Canyon?
First impressions of the Grand Canyon. Beautiful, humongous, and hot. What about you, first impressions?
Steep, especially that first one.
Okay, okay.
Or steep, beautiful. I'm like, is that real? Because it always looks like it's just like a background.
It's so quiet. That's it, folks. That's the end of the Grand Canyon trip.
Bye.
What's up, everyone? It's Sunday, September 17, and we're heading to the Hoover Dam. But first, we are going to check out the bridge that you can see from the Hoover Dam, because I guess you can actually walk on top of the bridge. Hey yo, where we at?
Hoover Dam.
Hoover what?
Hoover.
Hoover what?
Hoover Dam.
Oh, I was hoping we were Hoover Dam. We've been to the Hoover Dam before.
Yeah.
But it's been quite some time.
4 years ago.
4 years ago?
On my 21st birthday.
Oh my goodness, 4 years ago. What else are we doing today?
Get some halo halo and go to a show.
What show?
Cirque Du Soleil.
Cirque Du Soleil. Yes.
Michael Jackson.
The Michael Jackson one. Dang, supermodel status. Ayy.
What's up, you guys? Just got done at watching Michael Jackson 1 with family and Adam.
What's
So-
good?
What'd you think?
I thought Michael Jackson's one, Cirque Du Soleil, was really good. Great production, great acrobats, great music, of
Great
course.
sound. Yeah.
Yeah, and great costumes. Now, what was the only thing that we said that was okay?
Like the dancing.
Was the dancing, yeah, the dancers, or the dancing, or the choreographers.
Yeah.
Not the choreographers, the choreography, I mean. Just thought that it was kind of high school dancers. I don't know. I bet those dancers are amazing though in real life. But maybe it was just the choreography.
Yeah.
What did you think?
I thought the same thing. I mean, I wouldn't repeat what you said because we agreed on everything.
Okay.
This was Adam's first show, so I have things to compare it to the shows. Like I've watched, like the different ones.
Like Cirque du Soleil Mystere, right?
Yeah, I think.
Okay.
I don't know. Yeah, Mystere and like a bunch of or 2 other ones, I think. But they're a whole completely different like way because it's dancing and storytelling, and it's not more on music. So.
But they have music though.
But it was nice. No, they have music, but like this is more of like, oh, this is an artist. And this is about an artist, and it's tribute.
All right, well that's our comprehensive review of Cirque du Soleil, Michael Jackson's one.
Yep.
Smell my armpits.
Ew.
Smell my armpits. I was sweating in my seat.